Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram, link is given into our description. So the guys, in this video we will see more than 10 Udemy courses which are paid one but you get at free of cost. I will provide you coupon codes and course link. That coupon codes and course link we upload on our blog, and that link of blog that is available into our description. So the guys, let's get started. The first course is Python Programming from Basics to Advanced Level 2021. This Python for Beginners course will help you to become zero to hero. Learn Python programming in easy way. Only one day left at its price, and 1,74,747 students enrolled for that course. And the rating of that course is 4.3. And this course include 8 hours on demand video, full lifetime access, and you get the certificate at the end. The second course is Base SAP tutorial for beginners and freshers. SAP Co-Consultant, SAP Finance, Controlling Finance Accounting, SAP PESO Certification, SAP Finance, and this course, the rating of that course is 4.7. Already 10,760 students enrolled for that course, and this course include 46.5 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, 21 downloadable resources, and at the end you get certificate of that course. And the coupon code of that course is pre20d05m 2021. The next course is Google Data Studio A to Z for data visualization and dashboards. Use Google Data Studio to create reports and data visualization from Google Sheets, Google Analytical, Google Ads, BigQuery. Already 1,700,360 students enrolled for that course. The rating of that course is 4.4, and only 2 days left at this course. Please enroll for that course as soon as possible. And the rating of that course is the coupon code of that course is GDS YAPARI May. And this course includes 4 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of that course. The next course is Adobe Photoshop, your complete guide to Photoshop 2021. Learn the complete master Adobe Photoshop 2021 without any previous knowledge with this easy to follow course. Already 56,101 students enrolled for that course, and rating of that course is 4.3. Only one day left at this price, and this course includes 10 hours on demand video, 167 download resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At then you get certificate of that course. All the course link and coupon codes we upload on our blog, and the link of that blog is given into description. Please enroll for that all courses as soon as possible. Thank you.